In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the heat map on TradingView. A heat map is a fast visual way to see what's moving in the market. Big green areas show broad strength, big red areas show weakness, and the deeper the color, the bigger the change. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the heat map on TradingView and how to read it with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. You can access the heat map right from the main site. Once the homepage loads, look toward the very top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, click on Products. This is the central hub for TradingView's tools, and it's where features like screeners and visual market overviews live. From the Products menu, select Screeners. Screeners are designed to help you filter and visualize markets, and the heat map is part of this section. It's a convenient place to quickly gauge what's going on without building a custom chart or running complex scans. On the heat maps page, you can choose the market you want to explore: stocks, ETFs, or crypto. Pick stocks if you want a broad view of the equity market, ETFs if you prefer baskets of securities, or crypto if you're tracking digital assets. Switching between these options lets you compare market behavior across different asset classes in a consistent visual format. Here's how to read what you're seeing. Each tile represents a symbol or group, and its color indicates performance over the selected period. Green means the price is up, red means it's down, and brighter shades usually signal larger percentage moves. The size of a tile reflects relative prominence within the group, so bigger tiles typically represent larger or more influential names. Groupings help you understand which areas are driving the overall tone. If a whole cluster is red, that area is likely dragging the market. If it's green, it's contributing to strength. A few usage tips to keep in mind as you explore: use the heat map when you need a quick pulse check, at the open to spot momentum, mid-session to see what's holding up, and later in the day to understand leadership and laggards. Let the colors guide your attention first, then note the tile sizes to sense impact. This approach helps you focus on what matters most before diving deeper elsewhere. That's it. You've navigated to TradingView, opened products, selected screeners, and reached the heat maps page where you can toggle between stocks, ETFs, and crypto. With this workflow and a clear understanding of the visuals, you'll be able to spot trends faster and make more informed decisions.